how to add video in Google Sites. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up Google Sites, and after that make sure that you are on the insert section at the right hand side and then scroll down, and over here you will be able to find the option of YouTube. Just select it and then search for any video that you want to upload. And in case if you want to upload your video, just simply search for your video on YouTube and upload it. Let's search for We Stand Together, and it is by Nickelback. Let's select it and it will be over here. Now we can just simply move it around and set it according to our needs and requirements. And in case if you want to remove it, just simply click over here in order to remove it, and after that you will be able to add another video, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.